you! What? I built this thing specifically for my last studio setup, and it like fit under the desk just perfectly, so I'm gonna do the same thing again here, and I think I only gotta cut like 2 inches off of it. So let's see. Okay, let's go get this thing trimmed up and start getting the studio together. So I've recently decided that since I've already smashed this thing, I'm gonna turn this into my drift car. It's gonna be my first full-size drift. Of course, I need to eventually get some money for it, but it's gonna happen. This thing's already been a little smashed up, so I don't need to worry about it too much anymore. And now that ICBC's doing its crazy thing, let's fucking slide down.
Come back here.
Okay, got this thing all trimmed up. Let's go get this thing put in place. What? Okay, so the rack is all loaded up. It's time to slide it on in. And I'll get everything wired up once I get everything fully moved into place. But for now, let's get this thing moved into place and start moving some other stuff around. Rack space in place. Whether it's going to stay there, I'm not 100% sure, but... Okay, so I think that's it for today. I've got everything moved about. I got my rack space under here for now. And cleared off the wall. Ended up moving a whole bunch of stuff from over here. And now I got this out here. Listen. So much to do, but I'm gonna call it here for the day. There's some crazy shit going on outside. There's like a bunch of cops pulled up and like pretty much guarding off the area, so hopefully nothing too crazy is going on. But I will see you guys in the next vlog, and thanks for watching. Peace. What? So they got him out. I don't know what the hell happened, but he's out. He's down on the ground right now. It looks like they're just going to cuff him. So crazy. Person's just coming out of the bank, looking over to the right like, what? Interesting. And there he goes, off to the cop cars.